Hello friends, today we will learn about how to use tFixedFlow component in Talent. Let me show you the basic use of tFixedFlow component and what option they offer. So in tFixedFlow, there are use single table, use inline table, use inline content delimited file and number of rows. Okay, so basically this component used for you need to transfer some fixed values data to the particular payload or particular component, then that time you can use this column to create that data. So for example, for printing the value you can take the log row. So to show you what exactly and how it is work, okay, in let me tabular format to print the values. Now let me show you. Let's say create two schema. Let's say name, age. Let's say age in integer format. Integer, yes, yeah. So if you give one record name like Ram age 3, and if you run the job, that time that record will be print on the tlog row. You can see that record has printed on tlog row name age Ram 3. Okay, in single as name and single table you can transfer only one record at a time. If you want same record at 10 times, you just select number of rows 10 and then run the job. You can see now Ram have printed on 3 times. Okay, now you have 4 records or 3 records to need to be print at the same time. So what option you will use inline table mode. It will offer to create 3 or multiple records at multiple times, like say Ram, Sham, Nam. Let's say it's at 2H, 3H, 4H. If you select number of rows 1, then you will receive that records 3 records at once. You can see, and same thing, if you select number of rows as 3, then 3 into 3 records, it should be 9 rows will be populated. Let me show you. You can see 3, 3, 3, total 9 records has populated. Okay, same there is option use inline context delimited file. What is basically, let's say you need to create, you have some payload where data is look like this: name, age, name Ram 3, Sham 2. That time you can use inline mode, and if you can change the delimited, if it is pipe, it is the semicolon, anything. When you run, same thing for the number of rows. If you select 1 2 3, it will populate 2 records at same at the double time. If you select 3, same record at the 3 times. Most of the people use the single mode. Okay. Oh, why this error happen? Age in a string format, but we need to tFixedFlow test age for input string age. Oh, we put age here. So basically you don't need to give the header. Just run it. You can see your data is here. So that the operation when you use the tFixedFlow. There is another operation for tFixedFlow. tFixedFlow have two connect rows to connect. Let's say another one is iterate. Iterate. So basically what and what function you can use. Let's say tjava. So using that you can connect iterate function, okay, to iterate the single record at as per your requirement. How you need to use, if you want to continue iterating for 3 records, then one record will transfer, second record will transfer, third record will transfer. That way you can iterate the record. Let me show you how basically it will go. tlog row, sorry, not tlog row, say system dot out dot print ln. Let's say what the options is offer by number of lines, everything, how much time it will be get, error message is global variable offers in tfix flow. So you can check number of lines by dragging here x integer, then you can directly paste it here, then you will get number of lines. If you want to use t iterate flow for the each record, then you can connect it directly here. I need to install the jar. Wait, you can directly connect iterate flow and you can iterate each and every record at a time. So that way you can use this component. Okay, you can use tflow to iterate as well. Let me show you how it will work. Is trigger, oh, use variable. Okay, so basically that's the issue, that why we are not able to connect the default key for each row, and we can execute it single way. If you don't want to tflow iterate, then you can directly connect via iterate as per your requirement. So this is the basic function for tfix flow. Okay, thank you.